Okay, folks, here we are again. We are now ready to install the CPU onto the motherboard, and we're going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see that being done. It goes a little something like this. We're going to start by lifting this little tab up here that actually locks the CPU into place. Now, on the CPU, you might notice right here, this little guy right here, that's so you know how to properly line your CPU up when you install it. It's only one way you can install this chip. Okay, now we're ready to lock the chip down into place. Heard it snap into place. She's locked down, good to go. Now, on to the thing I hear so many different opinions about. And oh, this way is the right way, that way is the wrong way. I'm going to show you how to put some thermal compound on a CPU. Right in the center. That is all the compound that this CPU will need. Put your compound away. You do not need any more than that. Now time to install the heatsink. Now, this heatsink will push that compound around and spread it over the chip evenly. Only one way this can go in, like so. Now that part of the lock assembly is underneath the tab. Same under here. Box is going to collapse a little bit. And like so, your heatsink is now locked into place. Now the box did push down a little bit, but I put a box underneath of it just so I didn't have to hear anybody complaining about this sitting right on top of the workbench table. And of course the most important thing, that fan's got to work, help keep things cool. Plug that in right there. And that's about all there is to it, folks. Heatsink and cooling fan is installed. The RAM is installed. This system, I have no doubts whatsoever, if I were to hook this up inside of a case, install a few other peripherals I need for it to work, then it would turn right on and boot right up. I hope you've learned something from watching this video, and I thank you for watching my videos. There are more to come. Keep watching.